Hi guys, welcome to my Nuts for Halloween video series for October's happy hour kit. I really hope you enjoy it. Clearly I'm nuts for Halloween and yeah, I'm really excited. This episode will be to make the Eclipse cocktail. It's a beautiful, mesmerizing, midnight blue sparkling cocktail which turns into a really lovely purple. It's a color changing cocktail, so we're gonna do some science today. Science! So for this cocktail, I'm gonna take a martini glass. If you have a martini glass, great. If you don't, it's totally fine. Other glasses work, wine glasses work, champagne glasses work, or low balls, whatever you have. And I'm gonna take a cocktail shaker. If you do not have a cocktail shaker, anything that seals, you can use. It's basically just to emulsify the ingredients. So any closable thing, like even the mason jars that I gave you, you can totally use those in place. The only difference is they'll lock a bit differently. The very first thing that we do with the cocktail shaker is we fill it with ice, about to there. You don't need to fill it all the way up. There's no reason. We're just making the cocktail cold. Next, we're going to take the syrup. It's the Eclipse Syrup. It's the purple, sparkly, dark blue syrup. And we're going to take about 2 ounces of syrup, or just under 2 ounces of syrup. Next, we're going to take our vodka. Any brand will do. You don't need to use a special brand. It just happens to be what I have. We're going to put in 1.5 ounces. Now we're going to shake it. We take our top, put it over the glass, and we're just going to tap it. You want to hear that click, because if you don't hear that click, it means it's not fully in, and when you start shaking it, it could explode all over you. But you don't want to whack it too hard, because you don't want to lock it so hard in place that you can't get it back out afterwards. And we're just going to flip it, so it's this way towards you, and shake. And now to unlock it, we're going to put it firmly on the table. Hands on both sides, with your thumbs up towards the center, and just push forward. And it comes right up. Then we'll take our strainer. Where did it go? And strain right into the glass. And come closer to see this magical color changing reaction. The longer that the lime is in there, the more pink the cocktail will become. And there you have it, guys. Cheers. Oh, it's so nice. The pea flower is a very beautiful taste. It's very mild, but a bit umami. And it goes with the coconut water beautifully. It's very light, it's very refreshing, and it's gorgeous and sparkly. The Eclipse cocktail, guys. Enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna have both of my other cocktails up here if you want to check them out. And also subscribe to my website and check out what's going on, the new kits, anything that's launched, one-offs, all kinds of different things. Really exciting. I'm going to start getting more and more different items, not just my one happy hour kit. It might take a while, but yeah, keep an eye out, guys, and happy Halloween!